Welcome to Nancy Ogbebor TV, where cooking is made easy. Here we prepares all kind of Africa and intercontinental dishes. Stay with us and remain blessed.
Hello beautiful people, hope you all are doing great. Today let's make another oat recipe that I love you to try, and this is so good. So without further ado, let's dive right into the preparation. Okay, so I'll be using my oats, and that's 1 cup of oats, and I'll go ahead to add in ½ cup of water. So I'm gonna stir this, cover and allow for about 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes we are back to check on our oats. Next I'll add in 2 eggs. You can go ahead to add in more. I'll stir everything to combine beautifully. Thank you amazing people for always coming back to watch me. I truly appreciate all your support, and I'm not taking your love for granted. And if you're coming across my video for the very first time, hello, you're welcome here. Here we'll make amazing recipe that you will love. Please subscribe, stay connected, and let's continue. So I went ahead to add in salt, chili flakes, and a little bit of turmeric powder just for color. Next I'll add in my bell peppers, and I have different colors of bell peppers finely chopped. And next I'll add in my onion. So I'm gonna stir everything together to combine beautifully. See, I have other oat recipe that I'd love you to try on the channel. Please check the channel and you will see different method of making oat recipe. So I added in a bit of milk to loosen it up, and next let's go over to the next stage.
Welcome to the kitchen, come and cook with me. Tasty little wonders on your screen for free. From grandma's pot to something new.
So in my pan I've greased it with vegetable oil, so I'll go over to fry. So I scoop in my butter and I'll allow this to cook for a few minutes on a low heat, okay, so to avoid it from burning. And after a few minutes I came back to check, so I'm gonna be flipping this over to the other side. And I'll place it back into the pan. This recipe will leave you asking for more. So this is what I got after frying. So I'm going to repeat the process until I am done with my batter, and this came out so good. Would you love to try it? Let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you in my next video. From me is bye bye.